The end of April marks the first 100 days of the second Trump presidency, and we have already seen high tensions with the Supreme Court. Let's take a look at some of these instances in the evolving relationship between the Supreme Court and the Trump administration. Two Supreme Court justices are becoming pivotal for President Trump's agenda: Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Amy Coney Barrett. It typically requires both of them to side with the three Democratic appointees to impede Trump's plans. That happened in March when they joined the liberal wing to rule against the president's freeze on $2 billion in foreign aid funds. The High Court's 5-4 order required the federal government to issue payment for work that had already been completed. More recently, Roberts and Barrett sided with the liberal wing separately in cases that allow the issue to proceed in lower courts. Roberts joined the Democratic appointees in opposing the president's move to cancel certain DEI-related education funds. And then Barrett joined part of a dissent with the liberal wing on a court order related to the president's use of the Alien Enemies Act to deport illegal immigrants. The administration had appealed a lower court order to have them turn planes around carrying illegal immigrant gang members. The majority said the feds could use the law to deport them, but had to give proper notice for the individuals to challenge their removal. The justices are also weighing whether or not the president can fire officials at independent agencies. Legal battles are pending before the justices over his moves to remove Biden appointees from the Merit Systems Protection Board and the National Labor Relations Board. The fired members say that Congress only authorized them to be fired for cause and that the president cannot remove them at will. One major fight that is quickly developing in the court is over Trump's aggressive claims to speed up deportations of gang suspects. One judge demanded the president work to bring back an MS-13 gang suspect from El Salvador, while another judge found probable cause to hold the administration in contempt of court for deportations of Venezuelan gang suspects. The judge said Homeland Security was playing games as it rushed to get people on planes and the planes in the air to head off any judicial scrutiny. The administration says the judges are interfering with the president's authority on foreign policy and are vowing to fight the court rulings. But Trump says he will comply with whatever the Supreme Court eventually rules. The Supreme Court will take up his move to end birthright citizenship on May 15th, with a decision expected by the end of June. To follow all of the court developments, you can go to WashingtonTimes.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.